Hi there, I'm Josh, a consultant at Bear Driscoll Community Planning, working on Pacific Grove's Housing Element Update. I'm here to demo this simple-to-use balancing act tool that we've created so that you can provide us with valuable input by making your own housing plan for the city. At the top of the page is a map of the city that we've developed, which you will refer to as you make decisions for your housing plan. Below the map are two columns, the housing needs column to the left and the density allocation column to the right. The total at the bottom of the housing needs column indicates the target number of housing units we need to plan for. This will be your goal. The total number is determined by the regional housing needs allocation, which was set by the state, plus a buffer amount. It's recommended that this buffer be between 15 to 30%. Begin by choosing your buffer amount. The goal of this exercise is to plan for enough housing to meet the city's total housing needs. As you go through this exercise, please pay attention to the meter above. When the meter is red, the number in the circle indicates how many more units you need to reach Pacific Grove's total housing needs. The meter will turn from red to green when you reach the housing needs target. Now it's time to start creating your housing plan. Take a look at the density allocation column. Underneath is a list of areas whose numbers and colors correspond with the map above. Click on any and it'll expand so you can see the potential development strategies for the area. For each strategy, you can choose the level of potential new development you think is best. Estimates of the number of units that could be created are listed in green beside each option. If you have any questions about any of these areas, strategies, or terms, you can click on the information icon for more details. You're welcome to leave a comment with your selection by clicking on the comment icon. There's also a table at the bottom of the page which gives examples of what different levels of density could look like in Pacific Grove. These areas and strategies were identified for their potential to create new housing capacity based on staff, consultant, and community input. However, if you think we're missing something, then feel free to leave a comment under Category 8. Please go through each of the areas and strategies listed and select the level of development capacity or priority that you prefer. Once the housing meter turns green, congrats! You now have a housing plan ready to submit. That's it. Thank you for your participation, and we hope you enjoy the tool.